You are 13 years old, it's midnight, everyone is going to sleep, but you are lying on your bed, your phone is opening YouTube or Spotify, and you turn on a 1 hour compilation of songs that will make you cry. And bro, when you listen to like half of the song, you'll be like, oh, I miss her so much. Please, I want her back. When you know that you've never touched a girl, you've never held a girl's hand, you've never touched your lips together. And 4 years later, you finally have your first girlfriend. It was very sweet, it was very beautiful. You guys held hand for the first time, you guys kissed each other for the first time, and everything feels like a fairy tale. And one day, when it's raining cats and dogs, you broke up with her and you're wandering around the city. You're by the lake where you were standing with her, and you turn on that song again. But this time it feels different. It feels like something has been broken, or in another perspective, something has formed, something that makes you feel the way that you have never felt before. And you start to get way more addicted to love songs comparing to when you were like never had anyone, right? You just like basically LARPing to think that, oh, 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 where's her? I'm so miserable without my baby. You never have one, but when you have it, you listen again, and guess what? It's different now. You stop, whining and start imagining you are heartbroken. You actually cry. You actually heartbroken, and you cry so loud. You cry so loud, but no one will hear you because it all's in your imagination. And yeah, that's probably one of my most memorable memories. And I just want to share that really quick. And yeah, that's all I want to share. So for today, we'll meet each other again very soon. And I've been slacking on YouTube lately, but I promise that I will try to be more consistent. But I want to talk about the things that I really love, but and I'm trying to, you know, prepare myself mentally because I don't want to do it like almost every day, man. This feels like a job to me, and it makes no fun. It's make the games becomes miserable and boring. There's no fun in it. So yeah, and yeah, it's enough yapping for today.